Hello traders, welcome back to the market review of September 10th, 2024. So this was the cover page for yesterday evening's expectations video, right? Will CPI get back to the high of the month, or it will get to the lower 5400s? We went to the lower 5400s, and now we went hurtling back. We took out number of resistances in the area and then kept going up, and finally we are around 150 points. After we dropped 100 points, we went back another 150 points. When we were looking at the chart in the morning around 8:30, we saw that this particular news bar, the CPI news bar, came down, but we could not even close below this particular trend line that we had, right? We did not close below the trend line, and then right after that we did not have any follow through here. And since we did not have any follow through, that means that this is not a very strong bearish trend that is going to happen, at least at that point of time. This candle gave us the first entry long, and then this was the second entry long. We went long right above this even before 9:30 today, and my profit taking was at this high here. I took some profit at 5500, and then all the contracts I took out before the market opened at the high of yesterday, because I did not know what is going to happen there. So then I wanted to wait and see what happens. Right after that at 9:25 we had this bar. Right now, since we went up here, this was the first entry short, this was the second entry short below this, and I took this short right here. I was expecting that we will come somewhere here, because this was not a very good signal bar to start with, but the market went up 2 legs from here. I shorted below this candle right at the open, and my first profit taking was at 5485. But since this candle was so strong, and now we are also below the close of the news bar, I took a couple of more contracts short below this particular candle, below the second candle, and then my first profit taking was the 15-minute ORB from here. So if you look at that, this was my first profit taking area at the 54.38. I did not get out of all my contracts. Since the 36 broke down now, which was a very important level for us, I was thinking that we may get to the 18 to 21 level, and I was holding on to my runner, and I came out of everything when we hit that 21 line. Now, if you see what happened right after was these 3 bars that happened. We had the 5510. If you look at the daily chart here, I was thinking that we will come to this 5410 area, but that did not happen. And then this was bar number 17, 18, and 19, which created a nice gap here. We went long above bar number 18, and the target was still here, the 553436 area. We got that target, and then there was a pullback here, but this again looked like a bull flag. I was waiting for another gap to form. So as soon as this particular candle happened, I went long right here. I went long again. I took another contract when we came down to this level. This was the testing of the lower part of the gap. I had my stop loss very close at that point of time, because I did not want to accumulate a lot of contracts and give out all the profits that I had. But this candle went up pretty nice. I took one contract off here, and above this, above the 6.5 line, I entered into one more contract, and then my final exit was at 8.2. But after that, I was not expecting that we would be going up higher. So I did not take any of these trades. But once we crossed above this 5502 area, the 5506 area, I entered long above this candle at 5510, and then the exit was at the 5526.25 line. And once we exited at the 5526.25 line, we saw that this candle kept going up. We had this pullback. Now this was the first entry long. We came down, we got the second entry long, and then I finally went in long here. And if you remember, the 5543 line was the target that we had yesterday, and I came out of all my contracts there at 5543. And then if you see, we had this long-term wedge line. We went to the wedge line, and now we are moving sideways around the 46 to the 49 area. So those are the trades that we took today. Now, all these trades and the analysis and the reason for these trades, the profit targets and the stop losses were all mentioned in details in the Discord channel. If you want to join that Discord channel or our Facebook page, the link to that is given in the description below. If you're liking these videos, please like, share, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification icon. I will be back in the evening again with the expectations for tomorrow and what are the support and resistance areas that we have for tomorrow. This is where I will end this video, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Have a great rest of the afternoon, everyone. Bye.